Adding and configuring a time profile. In this scenario, we will be setting up a time profile for a generic working week. Start by navigating to Call Routing, and then click on Time Profile. Click the plus in the right-hand corner to start adding a new time profile. Begin by setting the time profile digit identifier. If required, you also have the option to bulk add at this stage. Next, set a name to identify the profile. We will then configure our active and inactive destinations to determine where our calls will be sent. You can also specify if UK bank holidays need to be taken into account, along with also setting individual active and inactive prompts. Next, we will set our active days and hours. Monday to Friday, from 9 AM to 5:30 PM are set by default. Once set, hit Next and then confirm you are happy to add the time profile. Now the time profile has been successfully added, we now need to implement this into the active call flow. Start by navigating to Call Routing, and then click on Telephone Numbers. Click on the number you wish to apply the profile to. Click on the Destinations drop-down and select the newly added time profile, and then click Save to apply. You have now successfully added, configured and applied a new time profile to your call flow. Please remember to subscribe, like, and turn notifications on for future uploads. For any queries or further assistance, please contact support via phone on 01603 90 40 90 or via email at support@voicehost.co.uk.